All right, we're here at this property right here, and we're going to give you a real quick tour on what this property looks like inside. This property here is a 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,100 square feet. And let's go on inside. Come on, follow me. Oh, it's not going to come inside. I needed somebody to hold the door. Follow. Come on. Have it follow me now. We're here inside the property and want to show you around here exactly what it looks like inside. I think I'm gonna have to adjust this follow mode, make it just a little bit closer. So if you come over here, you can see the Christmas tree. It's the 1st of November. We got this thing already up. Looking great here. We got some white, silver, some gold with some red lights on it and some white lights on it too. So let's go ahead and let's go over here and check out the kitchen. So here's your kitchen over here, and pretty self-explanatory. It has everything that you need. Let's go back to the front room, and we see another Christmas tree here in the front room. So there's the 2 Christmas trees in this house that's up for sale. And there you go. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment.